Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby here. Welcome back to the Rotator Club. In a little over 3 months, our team has exploded. Things have gone better than I even could have imagined. Let me give you a little peek behind the curtains of what's been going on with our team. This is a printout I actually got from the company of everybody on my team. I don't want to show it too much. I don't have permission to show anybody's names, just so you get an idea. You can see we've been growing like crazy, man. And it's just to show you what can happen in a short amount of time if you have the right system and support behind you. There's two reasons why we've been so successful. One, we're promoting a company that offers real value at an incredibly low price. For $11.50 a month, you're getting all the tools you need to grow any business, plus hosting for your website or blogs also included. Our team has an extra advantage because we have a totally rebrandable system that we give away to all our members for free. A website, capture pages, rebrandable pages, just like this one you're looking at, and a beautiful email series that's the best one out there in my opinion. Our system converts into signups and sales. It's that simple. We also have a unique way of promoting. We promote for our downline. Duplication and retention are built into the system. Click the button below and join our team. Get your hands on all our rebrandable tools and training. You'll also be invited then into our members-only Facebook group. That's our headquarters where we talk shop. It's up to you now, guys. This is the best opportunity on the internet. There's a ton of value here, plus a system that converts. All that's missing is you. I'll see you inside, guys.